A single delinquent account can drop your score 100 to 150 points, depending on your current score. This affects everything: mortgage rates, car loans, job opportunities, rental applications. But here's what most people don't know. The damage decreases over time. A delinquency from 7 years ago affects your score far less than one from 7 months ago. Call the company you owe money to. Explain your situation. Ask about payment plans or settlements. Many creditors prefer to work with you rather than send accounts to collections. If you can pay the full balance, do it. If you can negotiate a settlement for less, take it. Once you agree to a payment plan or settlement, get the agreement in writing. Email confirmation is fine. You need proof of what was agreed. If you've negotiated a payment plan, make every single payment on time. This is crucial. Another late payment now makes recovery harder. If the delinquency is recent, within 6 months, and this is your first late payment ever, call the creditor and request a goodwill deletion. Explain your situation honestly. Some creditors will remove the delinquency from your report as a one-time courtesy. This only works if you have good history with the company otherwise. If the delinquency is inaccurate, wrong amount, wrong dates, identity theft, dispute it with the credit bureaus in writing. You have the right to challenge inaccurate information. The delinquency will remain on your credit report for 7 years from the original delinquency date, but its impact decreases significantly after 2 years. Year 1, heavy impact on credit score. Year 2 to 3, impact decreases as time passes. Year 3 to 7, minor impact continues to fade. Year 7 plus falls off completely. Don't ignore the delinquency hoping it goes away. Ignore it and it gets worse. Creditors escalate, accounts go to collections, lawsuits can happen. Don't try to hide it. Creditors already reported it. Being transparent is better than evasion. Don't max out credit cards thinking you're rebuilding. That makes things worse. Focus on paying what you owe first. Once you've addressed the delinquent account, rebuild by 1. Paying all bills on time going forward, most important. 2. Keeping credit card utilization under 30%. 3. Not applying for new credit immediately. 4. Building a positive payment history. Within 2 years of on-time payments, your score will recover significantly. If you have a delinquent account, call today. Don't wait. Contact the creditor, explain your situation, negotiate a plan. Get it in writing. Make your first payment this week. Recovery starts now. If this video helped you understand delinquency and recovery, subscribe to Leverage Your Money. Every week we break down exactly how to grow, protect, and leverage your money. Drop a comment. Have you ever dealt with a delinquent account? What helped you recover? See you in the next video.